Hi friends, this is a pinecone owl. Does it look like it's done? I don't think so. Let's see what we have. We have some sticker eyes, a pinecone, and yes, it's a real pinecone. Couple feathers. These are kind of tickly. Do they tickle you too? They make me laugh. And some paper. So we need our box to make an owl. We're gonna need our scissors because he needs a beak. Decide what color beak he needs. Just gonna trim it off. We need our glue stick. This is working on our fine motor skills because we're using the muscles in our hands. So we're gonna use glue, put on a feather. You're gonna need to press and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the other side. Make sure you have lots of glue so that everything sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. We're going to put on some eyes. My fingers are a little sticky, but that's okay. Put a little bit of glue. What do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you think of the owl? Who would like to play with it? Can you learn about owls? What do you think you're going to discover? What do they like to eat? Have fun, friends. Bye.